Hey guys, I got these stencils from Cutting Edge Stencils and I love them. They're the Indian inlay stencils and I use them with acrylic paint to test them out, and I use them with craft adhesives. I use them with some latex paint, some white paint. Then they got really disgusting because I was painting a lot. I was using these maybe 5 or 6 or 7, 8 times each. You put a layer of paint on and then you spray and then you let it sit, and then maybe the wind blows and dirt gets on it, and they got really just gross. And you can see, like, you cannot use this anymore because even the paint has changed the form of. Love them so much, but there's just gone beyond the point of no. I wash these stencils after I use them each time and it just doesn't get off. Like, the latex paint won't go away, and the adhesive on the back is just layers of dirt, and it won't go away on its own. So we're gonna try Goo Gone. It's a glue and adhesive remover, and let's see how it works. We have to leave it on the stencils for about 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see what it does and if this really cleans the stencil. Let's sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see. It's quite oily. It's very oily. So let's see. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, so the stencils have been sitting for about 10 minutes with the Goo Gone on, and we're going to use this damp cloth, like it says, and wipe and see if anything comes off. So here we go. Okay, so this is one side versus the other side. Can you tell the difference? How disgusting it is. This is much better. I mean, look at this. It's ready to come off. For the dirtiest stencil, this is the dirtiest stencil. So now we're going to wash soap and water. Apply the Goo Gone to the side with paint. Yes, it is removing the paint. This is the right tool. Okay, that side. I want to show you guys what they look like now. Look, they're so nice again. Goo Gone saved the stencils. So now I can use these and they are not disgusting and they won't lose their shape. You can still save them and bring them back to life as if they were new. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps you when you're doing your project with your stencils. See you next time.